The PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week is an up-and-comer in the world of NHRA drag racing. It's 20-year-old Maddi Gordon. Her grandfather Mike and father Doug started an alcohol funny car team back in the mid-90s, and Maddi says she's been in the shop or at the racetrack from the day she was born. In 2020, Maddi joined the team full-time as a clutch specialist, and that is the same year the team won their first of 3 championship titles over the course of 4 years. Coincidence? I think not. In the meantime, Maddi was making her name as a driver in the top dragster class, but when her dad retired, it was time for Maddi to jump into the spotlight and get her top alcohol funny car license. In the 7 races since then, Maddi's been to the final 5 times, and she's hit speeds of nearly 270 miles an hour. In May of this year, Maddi got her first funny car win in Indianapolis, so race fans, you are on notice. Maddi Gordon has arrived, and you're going to hear a whole lot more about her in the future. Maddi Gordon, the PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. More Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com right after this.